the best way to take Oxy-Powder? Start taking it on a night when you don't have to be somewhere the next morning. Ideally, you have a few days to get to know how Oxy-Powder works for you. You will have to monitor your body and adjust the dosages to accommodate your bowels, your health, and your lifestyle, obviously. Now, take Oxy-Powder best lasting at night with some water and lemon juice. The lemon juice helps to activate the magnesium in case you have a lower stomach acid. You can also take the Oxy-Powder first thing in the morning. Then you need to take it 2 hours before any food. The Oxy usually starts working within 6 to 12 hours, so just work out when you have to be close to the toilet. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.